A video game company launches an exciting new advertising campaign. They predict कि उनकी वेबसाइट पे ऑनलाइन हिट्स या विजिट्स की तादाद डबल होगी. The model they are using shows the 2 hits the first day, 4 hits the second day, and 8 hits the third day, and so on. So, if their model continues on, how many hits will there be at the end of the month? To answer this question, we will first need to know how to determine the list of numbers written in a specific order. One way to describe an ordered list of numbers is sequence. It is a function whose domain is the subset of counting numbers. Each number in a sequence is called term. Listing all terms for a sequence can be burdensome. मसलन अगर महीने के आखिर में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 31 टर्म्स लिखने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. For that reason, a more efficient way to determine a specific term is by writing a formula जिसे हम explicit formula कहते हैं. Hence, the explicit formula for the sequence are used to find the nth term of the sequence. For example, if you want to find the fifth term of the sequence, you will simply substitute the n equals to 5. In our example, each number is double the previous number, so we can use powers of 2, which can be shown below. The first term is 2, second term is 4, third term is 8, and so on. To find the number of hits on the last day of the month, we have to substitute n equals to 31. For that, we will get more than 2.1 billion hits, and that's huge. Moving further, there is an infinite sequence that continues indefinitely, and this particular sequence can be written as: in sequences, the variable a with number subscript is used to represent terms in a sequence and to indicate the position of the term in a sequence. For example, we want to find the fifth term of this given sequence. We will simply substitute n equals to 5, and this will give us the fifth term of the sequence. Hence, a5 is the fifth term of the sequence, where the subscript 5 represents the position in the sequence. That is the fifth number of the sequence. Next is finite sequence, the sequence that does not continue indefinitely, and it can be written as. Now, if we want to know how to write the terms of a sequence defined by a formula, we will be given a formula and we have to write their first 5 terms. We will substitute each value of n in the formula. We will begin with n equals to 1 to find the first term. For first term, we will simply put n equals to 1, and we find the second term, we put n equals to 2 and we get 2. And similarly, we will continue in the same manner until we get all the unidentified n terms. So the first 5 terms of the sequence are 5, 2, -1, -4, and -7. Lastly, we want to analyze our sequence. The sequence values can be listed in tables, which is a convenient way to input a function into a graphing utility, and we can see that this sequence represents a linear function. Hence, it provides a visual representation of a sequence as set of distinct points, which can be represented as given